In this video, we will explore PHP magic methods. These are special object methods in PHP that enhance object-oriented programming. Magic methods are special methods in PHP that start with double underscores. These methods are automatically called by PHP in response to certain events. They enable object-oriented magic in your classes, handle property access, method calls and conversions, and make objects behave more intuitively. The toString method converts an object to its string representation when the object is used in a string context. This method is automatically called by functions like echo, print, or when performing string concatenation. Consider a class named user with a private name property. The constructor initializes the name, and the toString method returns a string user, followed by the user's name. The get method is called when attempting to access inaccessible properties of an object. On the other hand, the set method is invoked when trying to set a value to inaccessible properties. For example, let's consider a class named property handler with a private data array. The get method returns the value from the data array if the property exists, otherwise, it returns null. The set method sets a value in the data array for a given property name. The call method is triggered when calling inaccessible methods on an object. This is perfect for creating dynamic method handlers or for method overloading. For example, consider a class named dynamic methods. The call method checks if the method name starts with get. If it does, it extracts the property name and returns a string, getting followed by the property name. If the method name doesn't start with get, it throws an exception. The construct method is called when an object is instantiated. The destruct method is called when an object is destroyed or when the script ends. For example, let's consider a database class. The construct method might establish a database connection, while the destruct method might close the connection when the object is no longer needed. Besides the magic methods we've already discussed, there are several others that offer powerful capabilities. The isSet method is used to check if a property is set. The unset method is used to unset a property. The clone method is called when an object is cloned, allowing you to perform actions like assigning a unique identifier to the cloned object. Lastly, the sleep and wake up methods are used for serialization and deserialization, allowing you to customize how an object is stored and restored. When working with magic methods, it's important to follow best practices to ensure code quality and maintainability. Use magic methods sparingly, as they can make code less readable if overused. Always document magic behavior thoroughly to explain how the methods work and what they do. Handle errors properly by validating inputs and catching exceptions to prevent unexpected behavior. Finally, strive for consistency in your use of magic methods, following predictable patterns to make your code easier to understand and maintain. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.